what's going on. That's the Nigerian
I can tell you like the lightsaber.
Your screen is pointed at Eunice Hanoi.
Everyone, take their laptops and close them so that we can give our attention to the other schools. Okay? I know you like to hang on the ground floor. I know that. But I don't like that. Where is it?
Okay. This is,
Do we have time to share one?
Okay.
Yep.
So we have BCIS here, I believe.
Sorry, give us just a moment.
Yes, good idea. Okay, are we ready?
All right, we're going to go 1 minute on this one, so go ahead. Go ahead and do your slam.
Okay.
And begin.
Round, we'll try to avoid the black bats and if you bump into the black bats, then the black bats go to like, and then the little brown bat disappears. So you generally have to get to the end without hitting a black bat. I'm only done with level 1. I want to make some other levels because it's supposed to get better than the other that starts moving.
Okay, excellent work. It's very similar to what we're doing here at Eunice.
Alright, they're happy with it.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Alright, now I have to turn the screen share off. Go to the
Yes,
screen share
and
off.
to mute.
Make sure
BCIS.
BCIS, make sure you mute yours now.
I think we're done.
Okay, if you
Say
can
bye,
mute
people.
it.
I don't see Tim.
All right, Heather and
Ishmik?
Ishmael.
Okay. They're not ready. I don't see CIS. Tashkent?
Tashkent, let's see.
I think that's it.
Yep.
Well,
So-
wait. Tim's right there.
Where?
That's Tim. Tim, are you there?
Right, Tim.
Tim in Singapore.
Tim.
Hey, Singapore.
Hello.
Hi, sorry about that.
Hi. Say hello.
Alright.
So,
Okay.
Molly, sit down, please. You guys sit.
Okay, so
Okay.
alright, thank you, Singapore. So now we're gonna go back and do some more coding for the other schools going to
Hello.
Hi, Tim.
Oh, sorry about that.
and we'll have some more slams later on. So right now we're gonna go back and do some more coding. Okay. I didn't.
We need like a mute control.
You didn't want a snack. You want bananas and cookies and water. Don't you are? We don't have pizza like India did, but that's okay.
We don't have
Give it time. I see some people going away from the maze. Unless it's a baseball maze. I don't know.
I lost my spaceship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you know how that works? Ah.
Có mà nó chỉ lệch
I'll
mấy
show
giây
you
thôi.
one thing on that, okay?
Nó chỉ lệch mấy giây thôi.
Quay học sinh ở đây chứ đúng không? Quay cái màn
Quay
hình
trên này.
ở đây.
Nhưng mà chỉ
Quay học sinh ở đây chứ đúng không? Quay cái màn hình trên này. Quay học sinh ở đây. Quay cái màn hình trên này.
I'm going to show everyone what we call X and Y courses. I'm going to show everyone X. Yep. We're going to show everyone X and Y in just a minute. Because that will help you with that.
How are you doing? Hey, Iris. Thanks for helping. Để sợ rơi không? Zoom.
Okay.
Rồi, thôi nó để vậy. Rồi. Quay. Đây đây. Đây, xem cái này. Đây, nó bị...
Okay. Okay, beginners, I have your eyes up here real quick. One question was on the gliding part, on how to glide. So you are in scratch, and I've got scratch somewhere here. Okay. When I go around, something is always changing on my screen. Anyone know what that is? Something. Look at my screen. Other than this arrow, what keeps changing?
The number.
The numbers. Does anyone know what these numbers here mean? On the side, yeah. The position. So we have this that you guys may have done in math. Where am I at? Okay.
I realize I'm not as bad as the kids I see. You guys are all screaming.
Okay. So in
I
math,
tweeted her. I finally, this is like, my first tweet was anyway. I was like, finally.
hey guys, eyes up here real quick. Because if you want to glide back to a certain spot, you have to know how to describe that spot. The way we do it is we start.
We need to judge the advanced competition.
Has anyone done this in math?
And we need to
Yeah?
figure out who's going to do
Okay,
our
come on up, come here. So if I want to say my spaceship hit the wall and I
You wanna
want to
judge it
end
with me?
up
You want to judge advanced
right
competition with me?
here. Can you explain to everybody how I
Jenny are
make
gonna
what I tell the spaceship to do? Yeah. Okay. So minus minus 5, minus 5, 6. Do we know? If we look at your scratch, you'll see when you move it around, the X and the Y change. So when you want to go to that certain spot,
It's the bottom right one down there.
I want to end up right here. Can anyone tell me my X and Y coordinates? Right here. Negative 199, 141. So who has trouble gliding? Is it you? If you want to glide in an exact spot, you say, okay, I want the spaceship to go all the way back right to here. Then you'll tell it to glide to this spot down here. Okay? Glide to that. Or you can move it. Okay? Alright guys, so back to your mazes.
I have a question.
Yes.
How do you make it yet?
It's just like
What?
every kid's.
If you look at my card, it has some. Right now, when you hit the wall, and go down, you have to move it, and don't go through walls. You haven't done that. You need to do that.
Yeah. So what did you mess up? Is it your knee or hip or foot?
All right.
Plate and 4 screws.
I bet you just can't get back on the bike.
We have a pool.
My wife is not happy. That's too bad.
I know. Well, there was these in Chile. They had all these jumps and things. And mountain biking is huge there. And we live right up next to the trails, so he and his buddies would always go up to the jumps. And some of them are like pretty experienced. Like the jumps were pretty amazing. And so my wife, she wanted me to always go. And so what did I end up doing?
Well, we slid because there's like a jump that kind of goes on the ground. And so my dad went like this little tiny jump and then he skidded.
Little
on the
tiny,
ground.
come on, it was a pretty impressive jump.
Remember, there's like the one that you used to go around. He was going this tall, and then he slid on the grass, and he fell into the pit. And he was fine the first time, and then he did the same thing again.
But what did I try that time though? I thought more velocity out
Oh,
of
yeah,
it
you tried to go
would
faster.
improve things. So at that time I couldn't lay the bike down before the pit, and I was committed to it, and so I jumped, and I have one with the 29-inch, the larger.
That's a good one.
Yeah, real nice. Everything. When I hit with such force, and I had goo in my tires and stuff like that. It splattered green all over me. I popped the tire, bent my rim, and I plowed my face and everything right into the ground. And that's when my back problems really
And then he gave me the bike.
And then I gave him the bike.
Heck of a good deal.
My wife was so mad for saying,
took the.
"What are you thinking? You're not young anymore. You've been doing the jumps. You're supposed to be watching the kids."
The tire was all.
You've heard of Ned Oakland?
What happened?
He's in his 60s. He's one of the top mountain bikers.
See, I guess it went from nothing to training jumps.
Like, what did you do?
Because they're all. This is a really strong rim. How do you bend this thing?
Yeah, they have to be a lot of bikes.
He said, "There's no way we can repair this."
Just get him
But they
away.
didn't.
I had to replace some other parts.
Go to the next level.
The brakes, the derailleur.
The left brake, yeah.
The disc brakes.
Yeah, it was this brake hydraulic disc. I messed up one of the handle. So I had to replace that. But you've got a nice bike. Really nice.
You bring it here?
Yeah. Not as many trails right close.
But you can ride out. And you can get into some good help.
I've been there. Yes. And I was just talking to, who was I talking to? Neil and Fairborn. He's saying that they're just in foothills out this way, hiking and stuff. He says it was great. Really full of weekend. Yeah, we need to get off like that.
Right over the Bobby.
I have like two
Anyway, we'll have a good afternoon.
Oh, I will. Thank you.
So, if you somehow get back to what's up? Not yet, but I took it from them.
And now go to
Yeah? What do you got? Okay, so back to the document. Then just lie in this. So what do you have? What is left? What do you want? So do we have it? Okay, so we need to touch on water. All right.
Yes, yeah, no, not trying to take over from you, Tim.
All right.
Where is the laundry? Let me just, I'll get it.
And look your degrees on Michelle, I don't know. Oh, okay. What's that? When you count the U.S. approximately. Alright. So right now you have one arrow and you are going which way? So make sure your right arrow.
Minnie's up there.
They're all correct, okay?
Huh?
Minnie's just
Where is she?
just up here. Behind the book.
Thank you.
Remember, you can look at his minis and see if you have any inspiration from that one. Let me see where Minji is.
Okay, mine is one cat next to the cat.
You might want to make your cat smaller. He seems quite large.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, so go back to right. So you're in right, sorry.
Oh my god, this is so slow.
And okay, so when we look at this, you say if right arrow press, then move and there. If left arrow press, turn 90 degrees. So these have some issues. You understand what I'm saying? So look at that, and look at the document that I had. If this is pressed, then point in this direction, then you move. Because right now, you're not pointing. Okay? So if you don't check that. Where's your, you do one yet? If it's touching that, then what? I'm getting a real big risk taker later on who might be willing to share theirs in front of the world and talk about it for maybe a minute or two. So if somebody has something, let me know.
Blue and black.
We can talk about that.
Blue and black. Yeah.
Well, work on yours. Make it good.
Blue and black. Blue and black.
What's going on?
Okay. Nails. Nails.
And you guys can have, if you hit the wall, if you hit the asteroid, maybe your spaceship should say something. Because some of you guys learned how to add speech to it. What would you say if you hit an asteroid?
It would just say, "Good."
I don't know. What would the captain of the ship say?
Oh no.
Maybe not those words, but something like that, okay?
Oh
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
no. Well, it's basically like a, you know, cat.
Okay. What I need you, my friend, is to focus on this because you got some great ideas. You gotta stick with it, okay? All right, thank you.
Now, this is like a cat thing to do.
Ooh, okay. So if you want your hair to explode, I'm thinking, what is character? What words do we use for characters?
What are you
What are you
doing?
looking
Stuffing his toys.
So you need to make an additional speech, right? Okay. You can also take one from the like you would probably have your if statement if you hit what? What would you do? You hit the blue.
Okay, look.
Oh, you can say something.
I need to go to the world and get
If
something.
you black, maybe something like that. So work on your explosion. Let's get okay, and you go and you glide back to the start. Is that what you're thinking? It's up to you. Another thing to remember is that one hole, if you travel, wherever you end up, wherever you end up at, different places, what? What do we call it? Okay, how are you guys going? You got a good start. So here, you mess up. Just try, and then I'll be right there. Okay, I'll come back. Now, where's your spray? Hold on. Your spray. Yes. Yes. Okay, I like that. What happens when we hit the left?
What about
Now, what happens when we hit the goal? You make it look
Yeah, make a little, and then you tell it to go to the other.
What? How do you read it? There's a color. See, it's this color.
Thank you, we appreciate it. Oh, no worries. It's so nice to put those gold. Yeah, kids are going to sing this. Let me see something.
What do you
Want it to be the same, or do you want it to be different colors?
He did, but he didn't talk. I think he said hi without knowing he said hi.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, Seth is, him and his kids are looking right at the camera. It feels like they're talking to somebody, I just don't know who's maybe each other. So I don't know. Just move it.
He's someone else's turn. Sorry.
We can say hi real quick. These kids haven't said hi. Sorry, Tony, just a second, okay?
Yeah, there was something with the. Hey Seth. Hey Seth, you want to unmute yourself? Okay. Seth walks away. Never mind. Okay. Yes. Yeah, of course. You know the bathroom is, right?
That's the school laptop, you know?
What we lose?
So that's the school laptop. You have to like, you have to pay like
You're talking about this.
$1 million.
Well, the same way you
Yeah.
did this one.
$1 million.
Anything you want to talk about? Why are you dragging it? And that becomes stage 2. So stage 2 retro. So it's still in there. The other one's still there. Well, this is depending on the
Oh yeah, but then can you afford that?
Don't worry about the terms. I'll see if Miss Mindy knows that.
What I got?
Let's see if you can get that could be the
I'm down.
Let me look at let's go back to here. And let's go back to the price. Where did you find your where did you
Stop trying. Sarah! You Oh, are you waiting for me? No, very, very horrible failure. Look, move 5 steps, turn 90 degrees, right? Why do you keep doing backward? I don't know. What are you? No, that is not going like a wanted to. Oh, I don't think my special. Or how about we replace the P and T? No, that's a horrible failure. The failure nobody wants. Oh my. Mine is broken. D. I want cheating. This is too easy. Hey son. Thank you so much. How to make this thing move down? Okay, so this is too complex for the first level. Yeah. How to make it move down?
How do you make it move down? Which sprite do you use? When you want to move it down, is it because you want to be able to control it with the arrow? Okay, so what are you doing? Maybe point
Yes. So you have to create another sprite. And that would be learning that. And then you background so you can duplicate. So, for example, in your first game, you ended it, there has to be a trigger there that says when you say hit 5 points, go to the next sprite for the next game, and then the start stage. So,
There you go. I am, but I have to go.
so what did you do? So you still have to have a level 2 background. Where is it?
Hey guys, remember, we need that risk taker who's thinking about playing this chair. So a couple of people, we can look at him if you're interested. So you've got one, I think he wants to. So we'll look at first. We'll look at it pretty soon. We'll find 4 persons to go up in the chair. Okay, so we got 4 people so far. We'll come and check out yours. Okay.
Very quiet. Right, you go.
Yes, it's succeeded again. Finally, it finally worked. But it's still dry. I can make another level, and I can make a page. This is level 1.
So how about you make it that they only get a circle for
Tennis ball.
so maybe there's
Tennis is a sport. That's why.
yeah.
I didn't make it sorrow. I made it just go to it. I made it myself red. I did. Okay. That's fine. Your mom is calling you. Hello. Hello.
Làm được chưa?
Vẫn đang làm trò chơi. Vừa một tiếng nữa thôi, cứ bị nick. I've been sitting here for an hour and a half, and it's still glitching. Come on, come on. Yay! I made it. It's done.
Well, you're still making it.
The game is
So
finally
you
done.
we didn't need to make it in that background, right? So just a paint
They have to umbrella. I just tried it and I was able to make it. They have to make it like it has a sign that says you win. Anyway, the
Oh,
game
you gotta
is
make those extra cards that I showed you.
right? And then make sure to change this one to call it level 2 or something. Make sure to rename it.
I can't help it just to make guys. I have to show you one thing first. Okay?
What happened to why is there
Ryan's not joining us later for this part.
I saw that.
what happened to why is there That's my first game, dude.
I think this one was.
Okay, how do I
Never press that.
So that's me. Let's have a look at
Okay, I win.
Okay, guys. I need your attention for 2 minutes to make sure that we can share these. Okay, the one cool thing we have in Stretch. So, guys, for those attention, I need your eyes on me. Okay? So, in Scratch, they have this thing called Studio. What do you think of a studio? Or maybe an exhibition, actually. I kind of think more of an exhibition. What do you think of an exhibition is? Right? When people can look at your work. Okay? So in Scratch, they have a studio that the Codeathon attendees are using to share their work. So you can look at what people from Pakistan or South Africa or tonight in America, what they've done.
America!
And we want to make sure they can see your work. So if we can all go back onto that document I gave you guys, and if we can't find it, it was that tiny URL. So can you sit down? It'll be a lot easier with your computer. Sit down. And we're going to share this Scratch Studio. Just because you share it doesn't mean it has to be complete. You can still edit and update it. But the first thing you'll be doing, so if we go back actually to your program, in the top right corner is the button Share, right next to See Project Page. So if you go to yours, Share. So you're going to want to click that Share button.
Where? We have to share. I'm gonna play
You don't
someone
have to,
else's
Tony.
Wait.
So we go to Share. So you click on that Share. So basically you're allowing it to be shared. We're going to put it in called Studio.
Share. Wait, if you share.
So guys,
Even mine.
there's just one more step for this. I'm going to show you right now. And then if you're struggling, I'll come by and I'll help you. So you click that share, and yep, I can share it. And you have to click on this URL right here. The one in the Google document that I gave you. So click this. The URL was, just start putting in your computer tiny, and it'll probably pop right back up. It's tinyurl.com NC Maze. But I'll help you out. But for those that are ready, when we click on this, we can add our project. And that's all you're doing. Adding your project. That's okay. You are adding projects that are work in progress, that aren't completed. That's fine. So if we look at this right now, we have 36 projects added from we don't know where. Okay? Anywhere in the world. And we can play theirs later, not now. So remember, first you go onto yours, you click share. Then you'll click that hyperlink right here, the Scratch Studio, and add project. Once you've done that, go back to your work. So I'm going to come by and check everyone. So don't worry about your hands. I'll check with everybody and make sure you're okay. Yes? I don't know. Right now, I will make sure we have this first, okay, for everybody. So you shared it? Can you share it? Have you shared it? Can you please share it? You don't have to be done. Did you share it? I saw you.
I shared it.
And then you would add project.
I click add project.
So click add projects. So yeah, add projects. You don't have the project saved yet. You need to save. Oh, Make sure your project's saved. Have you given? Okay. Then you can add it there. Make sure we share it. We want to share it? Good. Are we good for sharing, ladies? You can still fix it. You can still fix it after you share it.
Someone can play Five Nights at Freddy's. What? Play Five Nights at Freddy's.
Tiny. Okay. Let's work on our own right now, boys. Okay. Let's share it. Should I share? Okay. And then you went to studio. And then you do add project. And then I don't see yours yet. Make sure yours is saved first. Yours should pop up here. Make sure yours is saved. So help him make sure his is saved, okay? Go back to yours and see if you can save it. Yes?
My cat is dead. You're racist.
I know. I need this minute to come help with that one.
He's not gonna. He's insulting us. So fast. So fast. Dude. Stop. Let him do it. Let's go back to the start again. Backflip in 360. 360.
Like that. Scratch the tip.
You're like someone super bad at the game. Why do you think I know. I know. Yeah, you will put an aqua sword. You will be putting that. Seriously? I'll kill you if you touch something. This is laptop. Hello.
Anh Hà đơn điểm chưa? Biên tập xe chưa? Xong chưa? Đang làm xong chưa? Làm nốt đi.
Làm sao rồi? There's two. I have a question. And look, I found it. How do you make it and go to the next level?
Look at that tag. Look at the document I gave you. And it had changed the background. Why don't you finish your banana and then help him out? Do?
He's really good on Scratch.
Yeah.
And can we make sure they're on the studio?
Yeah. Safe. Hey, there's two now. There's two. Okay. You're racist. No. The cat is. There's no racist. Wait. Let's watch. Let's watch him play the game. I need help. Obviously, I knew you'd need help for okay, that's what my game. I shared it. Show me. I saved it and shared it. My game. What's my shoe glitching again?
Guys, we need to say goodbye. Miss Wendy, it's actually time. Miss Wendy, it's time now. It's 4:20.
Oh,
Coding slam.
okay, so it's like
And then straight to the advanced
it's a
competition.
mixed game. Let me play. You click W keys. What the? It's not really. Let me. So you want to? How do you make it? You want to click that you've done. Yeah, I can't make it here.
Hold on, guys. I know not all of the schools are here, but Lahore American School is about to say goodbye to us.
Bye.
So
That's just a map.
yes. Can we say goodbye to Lahore?
Bye, Americans. Oh, no. I don't know how to do it.
You're in mute right now, Jeff. Can't hear you. There we are. You want to say goodbye again, Jeff? See ya. Okay.
We're so Savannah.
All right. To all international schools, we are about to start our coding slam and then our advanced competition. So please gather all your students. We'll be ready in about 5 minutes. And to all of the students, could we please grab all of our laptops and stay here in the central area? Make sure we're sitting in our bottom so we don't have space. People?
Dan, Miss Michelle's calling you.
Okay, I can put the 10 a.m. Wait, yours is over. Yours is over there.
Okay. I don't know one for this one yet.
Okay, so we can just do it randomly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
We can end with Eunice last. So we can
Okay. Eunice, we're going to need one, maybe two for the coding slam.
I can get the pen.
So, if you really want to do it,
You can
go
just
over
make
here
sure
real
to
quick.
listen to
I'm going to be a bit busy talking to people, but we'll see if we can figure out a way to figure out which two could do it. One or two. I'm not sure about time for two. Just go to the table right there and make a recommendation to decide between you guys. What? And,
Hi, shall we begin?
Con
ra chụp ảnh với chú một cái.
Okay.
Start with Stonehill.
Okay.
Stonehill,
All right,
then
so-
Stonehill, Johannesburg,
So Eunice, we're going to have our coding slam from Stonehill.
Okay.
Stonehill, Amanda, are you there?
Yeah, they're the ones live right now.
Amanda, are you there? Does everyone know? Because I'm looking at the screen.
Yes.
People are-
Yes, we have.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to remind everyone else that we're doing coding slams, but do you have a student who's ready for this slam?
Hi, my name's Evan. I'm from Stonehill. Hi, my name's Evan. I'm from Stonehill.
Hi, Evan. All right. You've got a minute and a half to go ahead and share what you've created. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead, Evan. All right, Eunice. Eyes up here, please. Okay, go ahead, Evan.
Okay. So this is my game. It's called ASDF the Game. It was inspired by a series I watched. And so to play the game, you click go, and you use the up and down arrows to move. And you have to dodge all the projectiles coming at you. And if you get hit by one, it comes up for fail. And you can click try again. And you can also change characters. As you see, I was just that guy. So you can be this guy, you click pick, and then you go back, and then you can click go, and then you can be this guy. And his name is Marley, and the other guy's name is Bob. And if you hit this barrier here, then laser will come and make you fail.
Okay, 30 seconds. You
Thank you.
You want to show us any of the code that you did? Can we see inside?
Yeah,
What was
okay.
difficult?
So that's what it looks like inside.
Okay, all right. That's Evan from Stonehill. Everyone give him a round of applause. Thank you, Evan. Fantastic. Okay, all right, let me see.
Next is Johannesburg.
Johannesburg. Hey, John, are you there?
Okay, not yet. Let's try Heather from Ishmik.
Heather and Ishmik, are you there?
Is that what you want?
Heather and Frank? Are you guys there in sunny Ishmik?
Ah, there you
Oh,
are.
hey guys.
Okay, don't forget to unmute Heather and Frank.
Unmute. We can't hear you. And John, you're going to be next, just so you know.
Yay!
All right. Hey.
Finally!
All right. Frank, do you guys have anyone that can share for their coding slam? Share what they've done today. Do you have a student who's a risk taker and willing to share?
What's there? We can't really get the iPad over to one of the computers.
Okay, sounds good.
Could have done that.
And Ishmik, we didn't get to see you much because we had trouble with the connection here. Over in Hanoi, we'll say hi. So Hanoi, can we say hi to our friends in Saigon? Okay. All right.
Where's Ishmik? Where
Okay.
is Ishmik?
Okay, back up here now. All right. So Heather, we've got that connected. And John and Otis, you will be next, okay?
We're not going to
Eunice? Eunice? Quiet, please. Okay. All right. Patrick, we'll get you soon also. Let's see. Frank, should I move on for right now and come back to you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. John in Addis Ababa, are you guys ready for your slam?
We are ready. I've got Javon here, and he'd like to show the game he built today.
All right.
So Javon, say it.
I built a game called Cat Fighting Human, and it was based on a series that I recently read called Harry Potter, and I only used 3 spells, and it's a very basic game.
Could we screen share and see your game?
Yep, we're getting the screen share going.
All right.
Go on, Javon, you say.
I did quite a while working on it, and I hope you like it.
All right.
There you go. Do you want to demonstrate it there?
Let's check it out. This is Cat Fighting Human from Javon in Addis, Ethiopia.
Hey.
All right.
Mhm.
I'm confused.
That's it from Javon there.
All right. Thank you, Javon. Harry Potter inspired. Good job. Okay. I think now we're going to go to Patrick at ISKL. Patrick, if you are ready, fantastic. All right. And you're unmuted. Okay. Can you?
Hi guys.
All right. Introduce your student, Patrick.
Hi guys. Okay. Let's pick up. Right down, please, guys. So, describe your application.
My application is called Oscar. I had to use many different codes, like sections of codes to do it. If you go to my ball sprite, you can see that I have done 1, 2, and then if you scroll that way, then there's 3 sections of code.
Okay.
And objective of the game is to not let the sprites go into the magic carpets. Otherwise, the score will reset to 0.
Great. Thank you, guys.
All right, fantastic. Thank you, ISKL. Great job. Frank, back at Ishmik. Are you guys set up now?
Guys.
Wait, he said I could do it.
Oh, wait. Patrick, did you have one more?
Did you have one more?
We do.
Okay. If you're
We
all
do
ready,
have.
if you're ready, go for
Okay,
it.
let's have a look.
Okay, I saw a disappointed
Okay,
face over
Miles.
there.
Miles.
Do it.
Oh. Hold on. We're not quite ready. I'll get back to you.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Frank and Heather at Ishmik, are you guys ready now?
Yes.
There you go. Frank, Heather, we ready? Make sure to unmute.
We can't hear you.
I cannot hear a single thing.
Unmute.
We're not.
Yay! We can hear you.
Clara, you're working on it? So it's a no right now? Okay, I feel like that's a no. So let me see who else we have. Just a second.
ISKL, I'm on grade 6 is ready whenever you are.
Okay, is that you, Doug? Let's go ahead and go with ISKL at the Ampang campus. Whenever you're ready, Doug. Oh, and yeah, you're unmuted.
Finn from ISKL. Wait, can you hear me? I'm Zen from ISKL. I did my coding, which is the orange square and the circle, the purple circle. So,
All right. Can you do a screen share and share that?
Let's make sure they see us.
Yep. Can see it.
Okay. So the purpose of this game is to try to avoid the orange square touching the purple circle. So you move around, and you are the red block. So your target is to make them go away from each other. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for letting us share.
Of course, Doug. Happy to have you guys.
Okay, Ishmik.
Is he ready?
Let's see. Right, Ishmik. Ready?
I get a big X sign.
No. Okay. I guess not.
John's already.
John. John from
did you have
Ethiopia.
Did you have another one, John?
Yeah, we've got a second one nearly ready. Can you come back to us in a few minutes?
Okay, sure.
Sit what? Hold on. Let me just.
St. Paul, sit what?
Sit what?
Are you guys ready?
Okay, don't forget to unmute. Sit what?
So go ahead, yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Now
So this is St. Paul
Already-
in Hanoi.
I'm sorry about that. So I have nothing to share for now. I'm just watching other students.
Okay.
There was once Mom was around and he quickly shared, probably you heard him or not, and now he's left.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys had a lot of fun.
Okay.
This time,
AISJ is finished.
They're ready?
Let's see. AISJ, are we ready? Doesn't look like it. Let's go back. Heather, ready?
I don't think so. I think Patrick. Oh wait.
There we are.
That's a smile.
Looks like
Does that-
we're ready.
Does that mean yes?
iPad.
Yay!
I
Okay.
think you're an iPad, but does that mean you're ready?
We're on an iPad. So
You're on an iPad.
Oh, can you screen share with the iPad?
yeah.
Can you screen share it? No.
Okay. Okay. Whenever you give me the thumbs up, we're coming back to you.
Okay.
Patrick at ISKL, I think you had another one. And Eunice, I hope we're ready. I'm not sure who's sharing.
We're ready to.
Okay, Patrick.
We're ready to go if you need.
Go ahead.
Okay. Tom, go ahead.
Okay, so my name's Tom, and I created or remixed a space remix originally by Dongo. What is it? Dongatori. So if I'm going to show you how it works,
Okay.
and
We look forward to it.
I hope you like it.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. So basically you start left on start. You press the green button, and you just click to move around, and you put the score up there. Sorry about that picture. And if you hit one of these, everything stops automatically. And so that's not it. You can press 2, and if you type in yes or anything, it goes to level 2. As you can see, there is a new sprite.
Okay,
Basketball.
20 seconds. What else you got? Share anything else?
And then 3, and then it goes on, and you can press G to go back to level 1.
Okay,
Great.
multi-levels. Fantastic.
Thanks, Tom.
Great job, Tom. All right.
Thanks, guys.
Round of applause. Michelle, are you ready for the use?
Yeah, you just click it. I showed it.
Okay, and next up is Eunice Hanoi. Eunice. Okay, you're up. Is it on the computer already?
No, it's on my own computer.
Okay, just 1 second. Let me. Hey, Michelle. I'm just gonna look at Frank and make sure Ishmik's good, but.
Can we go do the other one while I figure out?
Wait. Let's go, John. I think did John have one more?
John,
Okay,
you have
John.
one more? Okay.
We'll have you do your one more.
I do have one more. We've got Hamish here, also from 5th grade. He's going to share his.
All right, 5th graders from Otis. Go ahead.
So, I created a game called Shoot the Vampire Bats, in which there's two different backdrops. There's rain and stars. And you have to shoot the vampire bats in both of them like this. And you have a limited amount of ammo, and each time you kill a bat, you get 4 points.
Okay. Wow. Very
And
impressive.
this game was originally made by 11K Robinson. I changed some of it, and I remixed it and changed some. Thank you, and hope you like the game.
All right. Fantastic. Thank you. Round of applause, guys. Okay. And next up is Eunice Hanoi.
Okay.
I'm pulling this one up.
Let's see if we can just go to share it with me really quickly. This one right here.
You can just run it.
Okay, hold on.
And
I will run it. I'll download it first, right?
Yep.
Okay. While it's downloading, I will screen share now.
Okay.
Okay.
And introduce your name.
Uh-oh. We are having problems with some.
My 1, 2, 3s.
And number 1 and the winner for the
Looks
story.
like we might have to
Okay.
check the.
So there's 1, 2, 3, and 1.
Is it on a studio?
No, it looks like it's locked because this one is. He added a few other scripts in it apart from Scratch.
Okay.
So what if we skip this for now, Ryan,
Okay.
and we go to the advanced competition first?
Okay.
Okay.
And then we'll find a solution to make sure that we play this. Okay.
All right. So
Michelle, we can share ours.
Okay.
who is that?
That would be Doug. Is that right?
Ishmi. Yes, Doug is here. We do have one more quick share if there's time. If not, that's
Yes,
okay. We
there is
understand.
time.
That's
Fantastic.
fine. So let's do Ishmael because I don't believe him
Oh,
that
we
he's
have-
there.
we have
I
one
don't
to
believe
share.
Frank at all. But Frank, if you're ready, go for it.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. These are some of our girls who will introduce their project. Say your name first.
So, wait, do we have it? Wait, 1 second.
Okay.
Wait, we're not on screen share.
Yep. Are we going?
Frank, I guess hold back
Yeah,
1
there
second.
you go.
Okay.
Sorry.
Light them up.
Okay. I'm Sasha Robinson, and I worked with my friends Ellie and Mickey to come up with this with a game called Lost. It's about this one little key, and what it's trying to do is it's trying to find its way back to its keyboard. We still have a couple more things that we're going to add eventually, but pretty much it's kind of like Space Trek, but you have to avoid all the office supplies, and eventually we're going to add a keyboard, which you're going to have to try and get to. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, and Frank, Ishmael, I think it is you guys.
Yes.
All right.
Okay,
let's
we're gonna
make
go.
sure
We're
on
gonna
to
go a little
yours.
old school
It's,
here.
I think right here.
We're gonna film our screen.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll go ahead.
Okay.
Whenever you guys are ready.
This is my game, and then if I press play, it's probably gonna come. If I press the space button, you're gonna shoot lasers, which will break you. If you press the right button, the spaceship goes to the right. Left button, and the spaceship goes to the left. The forward so that your spaceship goes to the front. And here's the restart button. If you go to the garage, you could buy spaceships. And thank you.
That's fantastic. Great job. That was made for the advanced competition too. Okay, give me 20 seconds to check one thing, but I think we go on to our advanced competition announcements.
Okay.
What's on the schedule next?
Okay.
Well, they're kind of
Um.
they
Can
finish at 5.
I get Dong up
They're
here
getting
also?
just like 5 So they put it on as like share within if we want to do that. Yeah.
40.
Okay. Do we know where Dong is?
Yes. Hold on.
Just point me and I'll get him.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I need to know the winners. The winners.
That was on a sheet of paper.
Yeah, but no, we need to show it here.
Show the names up there.
Show the game. So who else?
Why don't we just announce the names? Because we're on time anyways.
Dad is asking me to open up the links here.
Where's that sheet of paper?
Michelle, if we do have a few seconds, we have one more person from ISKL that would like to share.
Is this from MPAC?
Serious.
Miss Michelle.
Yes, it is, but we also understand if you're ready, you can go ahead.
Okay. It's up to you. Your call.
That's not. I don't think we should pick games. Just announce.
Okay. We'll just do the announcements. Okay. Because of timing, I'd say
Alright, so my name.
Go ahead, ASKL. Share your.
Rebecca?
No, that's okay. Go ahead and share.
Here you go.
Yeah. Click.
Alright. Okay, so, hi. This is a game I've just recently made. It's inspired by the game Jetpack Joyride. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. But, yeah, this is how it goes. So, it's a guy running, there's a pause button as well. You go up and down. And when the score gets to 30, he goes to space.
Wow.
And the score keeps going up, and the objective is to beat your new high score. And that's it.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you.
we have one coding slam from Eunice Hanoi,
Here's the camera.
and then we'll go ahead to that and share the competition winners. We have Ryan. Ryan, what grade are you in?
6th grade.
Grade 6 from Eunice. We had some screen share issues here. All right, Ryan, can you go ahead and share and explain yours?
So this is my game, and it's written purely in Java. I had to code all the movement code and all that by myself. So you could move around the map. That means all the blocks are randomly generated. So every time you reload the game, it gives you a different map. I'm planning to release this on a website in the future, and I will add more functions like shooting and mining and all that. So that's all.
Okay, fantastic. Here's Ryan. So you're in grade 6 and you were learning Java. How were you learning Java? How did that happen?
So first,
Who taught you?
Nobody taught me.
Somebody must have taught you.
I went onto the internet and just found some tutorials, and I started learning from there. there was also a few books that I had to read about programming, algorithm, data structures, and other things.
Okay, so if you didn't hear that, Ryan here, he did Scratch before, but wanted to take a next step and didn't have a teacher, so he taught himself how to use Java. So that's one thing for you coders out there. There are a lot more ways you can learn, but a lot of it is you. It depends if you want to do it, and this is a great example of that. Great job.
Thank you.
All right. For the advanced competition, we have a friend here in Hanoi who needed some help. If I could have my friend come on up. Come on up. This is let's see. Okay. This is our friend Dong. He's shy. He needed help. Okay. He has trouble coding, and so he needed your help.
Yes.
And so a few weeks ago, he started his game. He put it out, Space Trek Challenge. But we wanted something really creative, so we asked you guys to help. So first off, let's give Don a big thank you for sharing his game with you. So in the advanced competition, and it's not really about the competition, it's about pushing yourself and having some fun. So we had two different types of competition. One was on remixing and changing the game, and one was on making a backstory for the game. So we have 3 winners for the game and 1 for the backstory. So I'll announce the game winners and then I'll announce the backstory. For the game winners, in 3rd place was for the game Lost in Space by Tan Yuan. Tan Yuan, are you here? For all the participants, wait. You come on up. Okay. Here's Tan Yuan. What grade are you in? 6th grader. Lost in Space. We've got a nice prize for him. But he got 3rd place in the competition. What did you enjoy about that? What did you enjoy about the competition?
Well, I enjoyed finding glitches. And
Finding glitch? That's not fun to find
no,
glitches.
but I enjoyed them because they helped me realize my mistakes and help me find solutions to problems in the future.
Okay, well, fantastic. Great job. Okay, here's Michelle. We'll give a handshake, okay? Now, for the games, we'll have all these on the Codeathon website so you guys can try them at home later on. They're not up yet because we just figured out who the winners were. In 2nd place is for a game we've already actually seen today. So you've seen it a little bit. Wandering Stars. Ichan Kim from Ishmik, are you there? We could go to your screen. Is Ishmik still there?
Ooh.
Oh, well.
Just missed them.
Ichan Ishmik had a really good first-person game where you're in the spaceship and
What's
going
it called?
forward. Huh? Wandering Star.
Ah, it's this one.
This one right here. So that was our 2nd place game. So even though he's not here, we'll let them know. Let's give him a round of applause. And I am positive that our 1st place winner is not with us right now on the Hangout. Do we know the grade level? Is it grade 3? Really?
Grade 6.
Okay. No, for the
First one.
Okay, is Hunt for Earth by Lucas Long from San Elijo, California. So our actual competition winner is from the U.S. So they'll be doing theirs tonight. Do you have theirs? Okay. And Miss Michelle is not. Okay, wait, we have someone who's really good at the game to show us what's like.
Alright. I was an addict here, so. Alright.
Let the master show you.
Nice. Come on, Miss Jenny.
Oh, you have to
Whoa, I never got this far.
I never got past the first one.
Okay. Well, let's give Lucas, even though job for Lucas. And so the last one was for the backstory of our space trek. And the winner of that one was Victoria Kidwell. All right, I have these for the other winners. But Victoria, can you explain your backstory to everybody?
Well, it's kind of that the spaceship went off Earth, and then there was a crash land, and an alien life form helped the ship, and then he traveled some more because he had a fixed ship, and but then he ended up in a new galaxy, and there were a bunch of swirling objects, and that's where the game comes in. So.
All right. What was most challenging for you?
Most challenging, probably like creating the sprites, but that's also the funnest because I needed to like move each sprite to make the animation, and I animated in a way that I've never done before. So.
That's great. Fantastic. Well, great job, Victoria. All right. Well, that really is for the competition. It's fun. The thing that I liked talking or hearing from Victoria, hearing from others, is you're trying things that you've never done before, and you push yourself. And maybe you know what, you didn't succeed, but maybe you did. I know for the beginners today at Eunice here, who I was working with, I think all of us learned something new. And a lot of it you learn on your own. It wasn't because that teacher helped you out. So for you young coders out there, one thing to think about, we have coders all over the world who are trying and exploring. You don't have to be a programmer someday. But it's fun to play, to make something, and to be creative. So we really appreciate having all of you guys join us this year for the Codeathon. Before we say goodbye, I just want to say thank you to all the teachers. So if you're still there, thank your teacher who's there on a Saturday hanging out with you guys. So everyone thank your teachers. Give them a round of applause. Other people to thank also at our schools. We have a lot of people who had to work on Saturday, the IT people, people who brought in food, all those additional people. You may have never seen them, but give them a big round of applause, please. Thank you to everyone who's participated. Thank you, parents, for letting us have your children for 3 hours. It was a lot of fun, and we look forward to next year. Thank you, everybody.
Great.
Okay. Don't think about it. Think about these guys. Let's point at them. Okay. Oh. Bye. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, last minute logistics.
Yeah, you do that one. This is your school.
Okay. All right, guys.
Okay, for Eunice.
Okay.
One thing, guys. We've been here about 3 hours. Your parents are ready to go. One thing, if you could, I would really like you to show just for 1 or 2 minutes to show your parents what you did. Do your own plan with them. Tell them what was hard. Tell them what was frustrating. Tell them what you're proud of. So before we go, that's one thing we're going to want to do. Miss Michelle probably has more things we need to do.
Yeah. And one more thing, everyone, listening first. Make sure that when you're finished sharing your games with your parents, that you shut down your computers and you return them on the same table where you found them. Okay? If you are a grade 5 student, you can actually take home your tablet. If you're a grade 4, grade 3, you will have to keep your tablets or your Chromebooks here. Okay? Parents, please make sure to sign out your child so we at least know that they are being picked up by their mom.
Thank you, everybody. We're Tim, I don't know what happened to Tim. All those people.
Ever see Tim?
I don't think so.
You're welcome.